Hello and welcome to the Beerman Fan TV. After San Miguel takes advantage by a win, a miracle once again. Final score is 86-73. SMB wins in overtime by 19-6 after they draw in regulation by 67 all. However, SMB trails by one series to the Alaska 3-2 on game number 5 finals of the Philippine Cup. Best player of the game will be Arwin Santos with 22 points, 16 rebounds, and 4 blocks. What a good start in the overtime period. 9-0 run in the less than 3.5 minutes, and they won themselves by 13 points. In the first half, SMB was a crucial tight sequence as Aces leveled things up. However, in the second half, in third quarter, Aces begins to dominate over SMB by 5 points at the end of the third. But in the fourth, it is a low-scoring game as Santos guided in a triple-double advantage as Arwin Santos takes a good advantage for the San Miguel Beermen. However, a former Beerman, Ontiveros, knocks down the three to force overtime. In overtime, SMB gets another good performance as the miracle continues once again as they held on by 13 points in the end, 86-73. The players, Alex Cabagnot has a little bit improvement as much as Lassiter did in the last game. Arwin Santos still the best one because Arwin Santos gets a big blocks in every near post, and Arwin Santos scores in a 22-point win over Alaska Aces, and he has a double in both points and rebounds. BS Pinas naman ay di katulad nung last game as he scores in a 5 or 6 points rather, but he is a good form once again in the defensive. SMB now dominates once again in game number 5. Can they do once again on game number 6? We will see. Gilmar Fajardo also make the return after his 12-day miss in the game due to left knee injury. So, na lang, di bale. Kahit hindi siya ACL injury or MCL, makakalaro pa rin siya in the next couple of games as he scores in the first ever point in the finals of the PBA Philippine Cup as the best player of the conference award winner of the Philippine Cup. He scores finish with 10 or 12 points as SMB make it the difference. Best player sa akin will be Arwin Santos. So, wag nitong aalanin pa. Anyway, let us tell us comments section below. Like us on Facebook, facebook.com/thebeermanfantv. I'm Andrew Alvaro, and we'll see you on the match preview of Game 6. Inshallah, bye.